it's Shalini. Welcome back. A very happy Diwali to everyone who is celebrating. This is one of my favorite festival of the year. I know इस साल दिवाली बहुत ही different है और मैंने ये बात आपको मेरे previous video में भी बताई थी. But this is the reality. The pandemic is still out there. So I really hope you all are taking good care of yourself, your health, and whenever you are heading out, wear your mask properly, cover your nose and mouth, carry your hand sanitizer, and maintain social distance. Now I really wanted to do a Diwali makeup look, but बहुत ही late हो चुका था और अगर मैं title में दिवाली डाल देती तो दिवाली की बात हो सकता है कि ये वाला वीडियो कोई देखता नहीं. एंड दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल इंडियन ग्लैम लुक दैट आई रियली वांट यू ऑल टू सी एंड लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम टुडेज वीडियो. दिखने में बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड दिख रहा होगा बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैं आपको सब एक्सप्लेन करूंगी दैट हाउ आई क्रिएटेड दिस अ लुक. मैंने 2 लिप ऑप्शन भी रखे हैं, रेड एंड न्यूड, बट रेड इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली वांटेड टू वेयर दिस फेस्टिव सीजन, सो रेड इट इज फॉर मी. सो विदाउट फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स बिगिन विद द ट्यूटोरियल. सो मैंने अपना स्किन केयर रूटीन ऑलरेडी कर लिया. नेक्स्ट स्टेप आई एम यूजिंग लिप स्मैकर कोका कोला द चेरी वन just to hydrate my lips. And for primer today I will be using Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer and I'm going to massage it all over my face. So I'm going to start with eye makeup today क्योंकि मैं pigments के साथ काम करूँगी और pigments sometimes they do leave fallout on the face. अगर होगा fallout तो we can clean it up, okay? उसके बाद we can start our base makeup. So I'm going to color correct over my eyelid and under my eyes. For that I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. Now using my PAC 272 brush, this is a concealer brush, I'm going to blend this concealer. Now for eyeshadow palette today I will be using This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette by Tan Beauty. This is an Indian brand and look at the colors this palette has. It has some neutral tones in it and also some party wear tones in it. कुछ glitters है, कुछ shimmers हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा palette है ये. So I will be using this Bed of Roses color which is a beautiful muted pink color. I'm using PAC 217 brush to pick this color, tapping up the excess and I'm gonna place this all over my lid and also on my crease. So patting it first on my lid like that and then blending it on my crease हल्के हाथों से एकदम and creating a flick here, taking that color again. Next up I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty loose pigment in the shade 04. So I'm going to just take some on the cap and then using my ring finger I'm going to take the product and pat it on my eyelid. And then using my teeny tiny finger I'm going to pick that color again and place it on my inner corners. Now using Pro Arte PF13 brush, I'm going to be picking this color which is called Pinette Nair. Placing it right here on the outer eyelid of mine and ever so slightly flicking it. And placing it also on my crease line a bit. एकदम हल्के हाथों से. Using a clean blending brush, this is by Color Bar. I'm gonna blend the edges. Crease का edge blend करना है, हमें crease को blend नहीं करना है, ठीक है? Now using my cello tape, I'm gonna rotate it like that. Make it a double-sided tape. I'm gonna pick all the fallouts now. Now moving on to the face makeup. हम लोग eyelid का makeup अभी complete करेंगे, अभी complete हुआ नहीं है. So I'm using LA Girl Orange Corrector to color correct around my lips so that my foundation won't look ashy. बहुत ही कम यूज करना रहता है इसे और मुझे लगता है ये जो बेस वाला स्टेप है ना मेरा वो इतनी बार दिखा चुकी हूँ कि आप चाहो तो इसे skip भी कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है? You don't have to watch it. कोई नया प्रोडक्ट में यूज नहीं करूँगी. So applying it around my lips and wherever I have acne marks, making sure my hands are clean क्योंकि अभी हमने glitter use किया था, okay? And then I'm going to blend it using my fingers. For foundation, I'm going to mix this to foundation. This is Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. This is in the shade W320 Warm Caramel. And this is Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me Foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. Taking one pump of this the back of my hand and a little bit of this foundation again in the back of my hand and I'm gonna dot it all over my face. One mistake people do that they don't apply foundation on the neck, so don't do that, and also on the forehead area. Using my foundation brush by Sani, just says F008 in it, so I'm going to be using this brush to blend my foundation. So I'm pressing the product into my skin like that and then going in the circular motion. मुझे पिंपल हुआ था तो मैं उसे अपने फिंगर्स की मदद से ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट मच मूवमेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट हियर. नाउ आई एम गोना यूज Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer again to color correct under my eyes. हमने इसे पहले यूज़ किया था बट फिर हमने सेलो टेप यूज़ करके जो पिगमेंट था उसको रिमूव किया लो लैश लाइन से. उसकी वजह से वो प्रोडक्ट भी उठ गया मेरे फेस से. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस अगेन यूजिंग पैक 272 ब्रश टू ब्लेंड दिस प्रोडक्ट अंडर माई आईज. Now using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 25, I'm going to highlight under my eyes. So पहले मैं inner corner पे एक dot create करूँगी and outer corner पे यहाँ पे just to clean the eyeshadow that we applied, and also this is going to lift up my eyes and also my T-zone area. I'm going to apply this product. Using my concealer brush again, I'm going to blend it. Using Makeup Revolution Banana Powder, I'm gonna set under my eyes. And the brush that I'm using is my new favorite brush to use loose powders. This is Wet n Wild P65 brush. So picking some product, tapping up the excess. We don't want to bake our face, we just need to set our face. Placing it like that, like literally pressing it into my skin. And also my T-zone area. My chin. So using a old mascara wand, ये साफ है ठीक है, मैंने 2 दिन पहले इसे साफ किया था. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows in the upward direction, combing my eyebrows. Then using my favorite eyebrow product, this is by Glow. I'm gonna be using the product side to fill up the sparse area of my eyebrows. So I like to focus the product mostly on the arc area. और बहुत ही कम हल्के हाथों से एकदम यहाँ नीचे. Then going back with my wand, I'm gonna blend everything all together. Now I'm gonna use Nykaa Oh My Brow Eyebrow Mascara to set my eyebrows in the upward direction and to give it a very feathery effect. I love that kind of a effect. And I think I need to purchase a new eyebrow mascara क्योंकि मैं खुद fed up हो चुकी हूँ यही दिखा के आप लोग को. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows in the upward direction, in the upward stroke like that. Look at that, it's looking so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Now using Pro Arte PE29 brush, this is a pencil brush. I really like it, I recently bought it. So I will be picking this bed of roses, okay, and mixing it with Pinette Nair, and I will be connecting the lower lash line to the upper eyeshadow of mine. I'm picking bed of roses and applying this on the 1/3 area of my lower lash line. Picking Pinette Nair again, and I'm going to deepen up the lower lash line area, like outer corners only. Now using a flat eyeshadow brush, ये बहुत ही random brush है. I will be picking this color which is called Highlight, and I'm going to highlight the inner corners of mine. Look at that, it's so pretty now. Now using Maybelline Hyper Glitz Ink Eyeliner, this is in the shade Stardust Gold. It's a olive gold color. I'm going to be placing this just on the center of my eyelid. Now taking the color Pioneer again in my pencil brush, I'm going to blend the edges. For mascara, I'll be using Super Volume and Lengthening Mascara by Forever 52. I really like the wand of this. And also I'm going to apply this on my lower lashes. Now it's your call whether you want to apply falsies or not, but I think this look definitely calls for falsies. So for falsies, I will be using this 3D eyelashes by Renee. This is Ash the Fairy one. The eyelash glue, I'll be using this PAC eyelash glue, and I will be doing this off camera because I'm not comfortable doing eyelashes on camera yet. Look, one of my eyes done. Can you see the difference already? Oh my god. So both of my eyelashes are on. Can you see inner corner के side पे there is no eyelashes और वो बहुत ही weird लग रहा है. So we will be using a black eyeliner to hide that area. I'm using Sugar I Told You So Smudge Proof Eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan. It's a matte eyeliner. Now using Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal, I'm going to be tightlining the upper waterline of mine. Now using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. ये palette इतना गंदा और पुराना दिख रहा है. I've been trying to finish the contour shade from this palette. It also had a highlighter shade, but that shade is all broken and gone. So I'm using Pro Arte PF14 brush, picking this color, tapping up the excess. So I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, the other side of my cheekbone and also my jawline. I'm going to be contouring my nose also using a different smaller brush. So picking that color again, tapping up the excess. And then I'm going to be creating 2 straight lines from my inner corner to the tip of my nose. Okay, 2 parallel straight lines and then 1 line here. And then I'm going to blend it. For blush, I will be using Deborah Milano blush in the shade Apricot, and I'm using my Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to be picking this color. It's very pigmented, so be careful. Winters में blush बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लगता है, ठीक है, नाक पे, cheeks पे बहुत ही अच्छा glow देता है. So applying this on my cheeks and then dragging it into my contour like that. Also on my nose, also this side of my face, and also my chin. I look like a clown right now, so I'm going to be removing the excess product on the back of my hand, and then we will start blending the blush. And then using my foundation brush, I'm going to go over the blush again just to pick up some more extra product from the blush. Now using a very random brush that I like to use to highlight my face and picking this highlight color again in my brush, and I'm going to highlight my face. बहुत ही subtle सा highlight रखूँगी मैं. Okay, this much. That's it. For lipstick, I have 2 options for you all. One is a nude color. इस look के साथ nude color बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा. But I am in the festive mood, so I really want to apply a red color. But मैं आपको दोनों apply करके दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है? So this is Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. थोड़ा सा सूख चुका है ये. So we will work with it. So this is what the nude lip color looks like. I know it looks so beautiful with the eye look, but this is the color that I've chosen today. You are the chosen one, okay? So this is Color Bar Matte Me As I Am lip color in the shade Sabotage. First, I'm gonna apply this on the center of my lips. And then taking my lip liner brush, I'm gonna outline it. Using my Faces Canada setting spray again, I'm going to spray it all over my face. And we fan our face now. Finishing off with the bindi. And we are ready. So this is it for today's video, you all. I really hope you found today's video informative and helpful. मैंने बहुत मेहनत और प्यार से ये वीडियो बनाया है. अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक कर देना, अगर नहीं आया तो डिसलाइक भी कर सकते हो. कमेंट करके बताओ मुझे कैसा लगा आपको आज का ये वीडियो. शेयर कर देना ये वीडियो अपने फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली सबके साथ. वेडिंग सीजन आ रहा है तो वेडिंग सीजन के लिए भी आप ऐसा लुक कुछ क्रिएट कर सकते हो. दिस इज सच अ एवरग्रीन लुक यू ऑल. अब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात, जाने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया. इट विल रियली मीन अ लॉट टू मी. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो होस्टिंग अ गिव अवे ऑन माई चैनल. उस गिव अवे का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम विद ब्रांड न्यू कंटेंट फॉर दिस चैनल. बाय बाय. In the shade black bladed up. What? For brush, I'm gonna brush Wet n Wild brush, blush. Okay, take 200.